Hi everybody. So my name is Cesar Feiju, and I'm going to be doing weeks 2 interactive concept for the chemistry class. Today we're going to be doing the lava lamp experiment. So we're going to use um, plastic container. We're going to use water, vegetable oil, and Alka-Seltzer. So this is how we do it. So I got the water ready in the bottle, and then I'm just gonna pour some oil in it. Now we can see how the oil and the water don't mix, and it gives that cool effect where the oil sits on top of the water. Then next, I just put a little bit of food coloring, um, but 10 drops or so of the food coloring. Alright, then after that we're ready for the Alka-Seltzer. Alright, so the Alka-Seltzer goes all the way down to the bottom of where the water is, and it starts to react with the water. The Alka-Seltzer has sodium bicarbonate in it, and when it reacts with water, it releases carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide is released as gas, and it starts to bubble up, and those bubbles uh, mix with the coloring, and they start going up, and it starts giving that nice lava lamp effect that we're seeing right there. Um, and the reaction doesn't last too long. um, I used one Alka-Seltzer, and I think the reaction lasted for about a minute or two, something like that. Obviously, what happens is the reaction stops once the sodium bicarbonate runs out, and and then that's it. And then no more bubbles are released. And if you want to continue seeing that effect, then you have to put pouring more Alka-Seltzer, and you actually can do it a lot of times. So that's about it. Thank you.